Hi guys, Sat Sri Akal and welcome back to my channel. Well, holiday season and year-end parties have started, so it's time for you to unleash your inner diva and make sure that you put your best foot forward, especially when it comes to fashion and makeup looks. I absolutely love playing with makeup because वो बहुत versatile है. I can create different looks like the one that I'm wearing. But most importantly, Amazon Wardrobe Refresh sale has started. That means you'll get amazing discounts, deals, and wide variety of products across categories, whether it's fashion, whether it's beauty, makeup, lifestyle, and so much more. I love Amazon for its fastest delivery, for great quality of products, especially when it comes to makeup and beauty. So in my today's video, I'm going to show you a full face makeup tutorial, the one that I'm actually wearing and sporting today, using all the products that I have purchased from Amazon. So my first step to any glowing makeup is to use a nice moisturizer. I use this lovely plumping day cream from L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid range, and I love how it moisturizes my face. It's very soft to work with. It adds a perfect sheen and a perfect base. Followed by, I like to use a primer to minimize my pores. I have a lot of these pores on my face, so this is Faces Canada primer. Guys, you have many primers and many other products available on Amazon in which you can find some great discounts and deals, so make sure to check that out. I use a stippling brush and blend this product out on my face. I follow this up using my Maybelline 310 Sun Beige foundation. I really like this foundation because A, it gives a great coverage and it's also very light on my skin. Once I've applied it, especially for parties, I do not feel like my skin is being weighed down. It blends beautifully. Again, using a big stippling brush to blend this product out. Check out the Wardrobe Refresh sale for some great deals and discount across categories. After I've done with my foundation, I like to use the Try Sugar concealer. All the products, all the links are mentioned in the description box. I use the concealer under my eyes, on the ridge of my nose, on my forehead, on my whiskers because I feel that area is a little dark and needs some highlighting. I blend this softly using a small stippling brush. Again, very simple, very easy to use. This product also blends in beautifully and it gives the right coverage, the right build up. You can see the difference on my skin. Doesn't feel very heavy, so it's perfect for parties. Once I'm done with my concealer, I like to use Fit Me 310 Sun Beige face powder. I like to set my base using the face powder. It's one of my favorite steps. Next, moving on to eyes, I like to use eyeshadows. These are from Pack Professional. I really like these single use refillers. Work perfectly when I want to select some very typical shades. For example, I'm using warm tones all on my eyes. I'm going to list all the products in the description box, so do check that out. I'm starting with darker tones on my outer lids, and then I will apply a nice warm color, peachy orangish color on my lids to give the right brightness to my face, especially in this dull winter season. I love these products, blend beautifully. Make sure to blend your eyeshadow well, guys. I like to follow this up using eyeliner. This is from L'Oreal. It's in shade brown. Again, all the product links are in description. To finish the eye look, I like to use the kajal. This is my favorite, Plum Kohl. I think I only swear by this. So you have some amazing discounts available on Amazon. And guys, this mascara is my holy grail. It's available on a discount on Amazon right now. So you must stock it up in case you are looking for a beautiful voluminous mascara from L'Oreal. So this is your answer to your perfect lashes. Follow it up adding some color on my face. This is my favorite Be Fierce L'Oreal blush on. I love how it adds warmth to my face, to my skin, and adds the right color of peachish and red tones on my face. I love it, absolutely love it. Now I'm going to use the highlighter. Again, it's from L'Oreal and it's perfect because it adds the perfect glow that I'm looking for on the ridge of my nose, on the temple of my cheeks, and a little bit under the brow bone. So you have a lot of highlighters available, listed like endless number of products on Amazon, so check that out. Following up with my brows, because I think I forgot to do this step earlier. So this is Try Sugar Arch Brow Pencil. This comes with a spoolie and it has this beautiful color. It comes in 3 different shades. So once I filled my brows, I use the spoolie to comb my hair and make sure they're perfect. I like to keep my brows more natural, so this is how it looks. Now I guess it's time to just wear the lipstick. This is the perfect nude lipstick, Brunch Nude from Lakme Absolute Collection. Guys, this is like my perfect color for these bright eyes, tinted cheeks. So, you know, to balance the whole look, I'm opting for a nude lipstick. And this is a look that's going to work with different outfits. I guarantee you that. So this is my finished complete look. I love it. It's so simple. Just a selection of some right products to add some right flush cheeks on my face, to add the right color on my cheeks, nude lips, a lot of highlighter, a lot of glow, and of course beautiful bright eyes for the winter season. Guys, I hope you really like this super simple yet a very glamorous and glowing makeup look. Of course, the products that I've got from Amazon come with some great deals and discounts. So make sure to check out the Wardrobe Refresh sale because it's on till 22nd of December and you have your chance to get your hands on some amazing products. Whether you're someone on budget or are looking to splurge on the right kind of makeup and beauty products or fashion for that matter, well, Amazon Wardrobe Refresh sale is offering up to 50 to 80% of discounts. So it's a great deal. I think it's an absolute win-win. Make sure to check it out. I'm going to link all the products that I have used in the description box. So of course you can directly check out my link and shop from there. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Also guys, make sure to stay connected with me on my Instagram with my handle @GuiltyBites. Have a beautiful new year. Make sure to stay safe and of course enjoy with your friends and family. Until then, bye bye.